Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Sergey from Russia and I improve my English with this YouTube channel. Please support me by your likes and subscription. Today I have a very useful tutorial for you, especially if you use macOS Catalina and if you work with footages, effects, videos with transparent background. There is a problem on the Catalina. We can't use any footages with transparent background here. If you want to use, for example, any smoke, any sparkles, any explosions there, and if you buy them on the Video Hive, for example, you get that videos as png-sequence, but Catalina doesn't work with png-sequence. If you use Mojave, OS Mojave, you can import that files here in the Final Cut, and Final Cut will ask you to convert this png-sequence to file in Apple Prores 4444 codec. And when you convert them, you can use them in Final Cut, and there are not any problems here. But in Catalina, you can't open that files. For example, I have a pack. I bought it on the Video Hive service, and there are a lot of footages there with transparent background. I work with Mojave, OS Mojave, and if I, for example, if I import that file, Final Cut asks me to convert this video to the Apple Prores 4444 codec, because just now this video is png-sequence, and I press convert button to convert it and I can work it. But this window doesn't appear in the macOS Catalina, and your QuickTime on Catalina can't open that files. We will solve that problem, and I want to show you how you can use that files in the Catalina. We will solve this problem with FFmpeg application, and we have to install that application to our Mac. We will install it with Terminal app. Let's open the Terminal app. I press Ctrl+Space to open Spotlight, and I enter here Terminal app. So let's work with. I will open new window. I will close that. You have this type of window, and we have to install FFmpeg. We will install this program with Homebrew. Homebrew, it's a program which can install other programs. To install Homebrew, we have to open site of this program brew sh, and we have to copy this line, Command C, and we will paste it into our terminal, Command V, and then I press Enter button. But I have installed already this program, and I don't have to install it twice. So I will erase this link, and your Homebrew will be will install. This operation will be about about 20 minutes, I think so 15-20 minutes. Don't press any button, but if terminal asks you to enter password, your administration password of your Mac, you have to enter it. And I notice to you that when you enter password in terminal, you will not see any words in terminal when you enter your password. Don't worry, enter it and then press enter, and your Homebrew will be installed. Then we have to install FFmpeg application. Then we will enter here this type of command: brew, then space, install, space button, then FFmpeg, and then press enter button, and your FFmpeg will be installed. This operation will be about 10 minutes long, I think so. Then FFmpeg will be installed, and we will work with this application with special script. This script you will find in description of my video. Of course, you have to download it and unpack it. Click twice with your mouse. You can see this file, and this zip file you don't need. You don't need this zip file. If you want, you can delete it. And we will work with this file, but I think you have to make it as you have to make this file to have special permissions to work. To make this permission, you have to write this command. chmod 755 space button, and then you drag and drop your script file with script here, and then enter button. Okay, we have 755 permission to this file, and we can work with it. But now we have to select the folder where you have your pack of your videos. For example, I have this folder on my desktop. In this folder, I have one and the first and the second folder. For example, I want to convert this folder, no glow, all of these videos. I have to go to this folder with Terminal app. I press C to enter to this folder. I have to write CD, then space button, and I drag and drop here my folder, and then I press enter, and you can see here that we are in that folder now, and now we can use our script. If you want, you can copy this script to any folder on your computer. For example, if you where you want you can move this script. For example, I will keep it. I will copy it to the my MacBook volume. I will Command Option V to paste here, and now I will use this script. I drag and drop it here, and then enter button, and as you can see, our transformation has begun. Our transformation has begun, and if I go to my desktop, to my no glue folder, I can see first file. It doesn't finished yet, but after 2 or 3 minutes this conversion will be finished, and this file will be in the Apple Prores 4444 and with transparent background, and you can use it in your Catalina. And for example, if I import it into Final Cut on Mojave, it will be imported, and no warning will be appear in my Final Cut, and of course we can work with this footage, and that's all. I want to show you a little bit what we have in that script. I will open it, but you don't need to open this file. I will show you only, for example, I press open it in the code 2 to see the code of this script. And as you can see, the code says that for all files in our folder with move files in that folder will be FFmpeg will be work, and codec video will be ProRes KS. ProRes KS, it's Apple Prores 4444 codec. Pixel format will be UVA, UV, and A is alpha channel, you know, transparency. This is the A. 4444 and 10-bit will be our video. At the end of our files will be word converted with this line. And as you can see, I will open my desktop. As you can see converted here, and we can use these things. I hope, I believe that you understand my lesson, my tutorial. I hope that it will help you to solve that problem with footages on the Catalina. And please support me by your likes, and I think in the any next video I will tell you more about FFmpeg, because it's very powerful program, but but we don't have more videos on YouTube, and we don't have any articles, any articles in the internet, and I think it will be useful to know more about FFmpeg, and it's absolutely free. It's cool, absolutely free. So see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, please hit the like button, and goodbye.